And you see, it looks like Javon is driving. Okay guys, I'm back. So I'm gonna go back to modify this truck and try to fix it into the backdrop so that it's clear, it's crystal clear. So I go back to designer, picture in picture designer. Okay, I don't know what happened here. I'm gonna come back out of this. Something is not right. Okay, I see what I did wrong. I'm supposed to click the picture. See, sometimes I get confused when I'm clicking either the moving backdrop or the still picture. So I'm clicking the still picture to modify it into the moving backdrop. I have to get my words together. Okay, there we go. So I already have it chroma keyed and the eyedroppers are already keyed in. So it's just me tweaking it and fixing it. So tolerance of hues at 23, tolerance of saturation, let's pull it over, and it took all of that out. And now you can see, let me see if I pull it anymore. Oh, you could pull it all the way over. So this is on 47, tolerance of luminance, let's pull it. See, that makes it disappear, so I'm going to put it back to 47. That was the number that had it looking pretty good. So I'm going to put it back to 47. You see me moving it slowly. There you go. So that looks good. And I'm going to leave it. And I'm going to leave edge of sharpness. And I'm just going to say, okay. And I'm going to open it up. And I'm going to press play to see what it looks like driving on the road. Play. Sometimes when you're doing these things, they will freeze. Okay, so I'm going to come out of it. And let's see if it can play. There you go. And you see, it looks like Javon is driving, and I'll stop it there. So guys, this is how you green screen. You know, this is how you do it. You do things like that. If I have any more other videos, I will definitely come back and show you how you can green screen anything. You can green screen anything. You can also white screen, you can also blue screen, you can also black screen. Is, you know, you can do it with, or blue screen. You could use different color boards. Okay, but anyway, thanks for watching. Sorry this video was a little rambly, but I was able to show you what I'm trying to accomplish, and you can too. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.